Don't you want to tell people that you went to Harvard? Don't you want to tell people that you went to one of these Ivy American UK schools, all those schools like Harvard, Columbia University, all those university. Now the truth is you don't know that Harvard have free courses in their universities. In fact, they have over 100 free courses that you can do from anywhere you are in the world. It doesn't matter if you're present physically or not. You understand? They have a lot that you can do from anywhere. If you're from the US, if you're from Nigeria, from India, from Egypt, anywhere, from Kenya, just name it. You can do these free courses online. So in this video today, without hiding much, I won't be showing you guys everything, but you can also click on their website, which I'll be dropping the link on the Telegram channel. Click on the link and check through their courses and see which one you like to do. The courses are free. And when I mean free, I am not joking about it. Beautiful people, how you doing? Welcome back to the screen of my phone. You guys know I bring you gist, I bring you details using a mobile phone, because a mobile phone is what we go around with all the time. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? We will share you, we will share free about courses with you. We will share. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel so that people that are looking to get certifications like this will also see this video. And if you have not clicked the like button, please click the like button. Let's dive into the video. So guys, I'll be sharing with you guys the courses you can do on Harvard that will make you at least 200k or $200 from anywhere you are in the world. So the first course here that we have is game development, introduction to game development. As you can see, the course here is free and it is 12 weeks long. You understand? So these are courses that you can do easily. So you can learn about the development of 2D and 3D interactive games in this hands-on course as you explore the design of games. So you can click on it if you want to know more about the particular course. But because we have a lot of courses that I want to review here, I won't be clicking on it. I will just be reading under humanities. It has Lost Without Longitude. Explore the history of navigation from stars to satellite. It is free and it is 1 week long and it is also available. So most of these courses are available for you anywhere you are in the world. And these are courses that you can put on Upwork, on Fiverr, and then you start earning like $200 a day, $5,000 a month, $6,000 a month, depending on how high you want to charge. But the truth is, anybody that hears that you got your certification from Harvard would definitely want to employ you or would definitely want to give you a job. The next one here we have Introduction to Computer Science. It is free and then it is 11 weeks long. These are just like live courses and then it is available. Most of these courses are available. The link will be on the Telegram channel. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please join. Please, I do not have any crypto whatever I'm into. You understand? And I will not drop my contact in the comment section. If you want to reach out to me, join our Telegram and reach out to me. Then we have Jon Snow and Cholera Epidemic. That one is a course on its own as well. It is free. It is 1 week long. And then we have a whole lot of them. Okay, we have Approaches to Policy Design. This one is also free and it is available. This free online course from Harvard Kennedy School introduces approaches to analytical decision making for policy design. So there are a lot. New ideas for non-profit leaders webinar. Now, whether you are a graduate or you are a dropout of Harvard, the truth is people will respect you. Most of the American presidents, most of them went to Harvard. And most of the successful dropouts that we have today, the guy that owns Facebook, is an Harvard dropout. But do you know how much he's making on Facebook? So there are a lot of people like that. So it doesn't matter whether you have any knowledge before or you have any skill before. Just go through any course you want, go through their requirement and see if you fit in to it. You can also go for model for strategic leadership if you are into leadership whatever. You can also go for busy people, corresponding with busy people. You can go for introduction to programming. The programming course that in Nigeria they will ask you to bring 500k, ask you to bring 800k for programming course. It is what Harvard is doing for free. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? In your country, please state in the comment section how much they're charging for programming in your country. But here in Nigeria, it is way too high. But as you can see, Harvard is doing it for free and it is 3 weeks long. It is available, organizational structure available. These courses are available, as in they are available for you to do online. Like, you don't need to pay anybody, you don't need to, and these are services that you can upload on Fiverr, on Upwork, go to Coral, talk about what you do, what you're good in, even stated that you finished your course from Harvard, you got your certification from Harvard, you're an Harvard student. See, whatever course you do, even if it is for a week, anywhere you do that course, you are a student already. So you're automatically an Harvard student. So there are a lot competitive risks, understanding customer needs. Now this is basically for those in the customer care section. You can come here, you know go through their courses and come here, and it's free and it's available. You understand? Anything you want to do online, you can just come here and check through all their courses. They have over 100 courses and it's free. It's free, but the only thing they might ask you to pay for is the certificate. So the training is free, but just the certificate, sometimes they might ask you to pay for it. Also, you can skip that one. If you are applying for a job, you can just write pending certification, you understand, or certification in review or something like that. But Harvard is a place to go to for a free course. Now I'll be leaving the link to this website on the Telegram group. So if you are not on my Telegram group, yeah, go and join. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, so that people out there will know that there are courses on Harvard that are free to take. You understand? The fact that you're taking it doesn't mean another person can't take it. It is free for everybody. So if you have not liked this video, please hit the like button and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.